Japan's culture of consuming meat and milk was uncommon, and its history of livestock farming is short. It was around 1950 that the national policy of livestock genetic improvement and animal husbandry extension began. Livestock farming requires a range of technical support, from production to shipment. This is Igarashi Farm in Fukushima Prefecture. To produce and fatten animals of high market value, various public and private technicians frequently visit the farm and provide technical services. Now let's look at the Japanese technical support system that assists livestock farmers from the aspects of veterinary medicine, infectious disease control, and extension services. Calf production starts with making cows pregnant. That process is assisted by clinical veterinarians. A reproductive examination takes place monthly. A farm advisor from the agricultural cooperative has arrived to register a newborn calf. First, he takes a nose print as biometric identification for a pedigree certificate. The certificate is a necessary registration document when buying and selling the animals. Then he attaches an ear tag with a 10-digit number. This ear tag number is printed on the packages of meat sold in retail stores. Consumers can see the animal's production history online by entering the number in the nationally standardized system. Sometimes the calves get sick despite the farmer's good care. At such times, the clinical veterinarian rushes over to give a diagnosis and treatment. First, she asks the farmer for detailed information about the animal, then begins the examination. She makes a diagnosis based on the interview and clinical findings, then uses veterinary drugs and instruments kept in the clinic car to medicate or do surgery at the farm. Some diseases, however, can cause outbreaks and the damage expands. The Livestock Hygiene Service Center is a public institution established in each prefecture to respond to such situations. One of their important functions is diagnosis conducted at the request of veterinarians and farmers. When there are suspicions of an infectious disease that requires a rapid response, such as foot and mouth disease, avian influenza, or swine fever, this is reported to the prefectural government, which then reports to the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry, and Fisheries. Calves raised successfully are divided into those that remain on the farm for fattening, those that become breeding cows, and those that are sold at market. The calves to be sold at the next auction are selected in consultation with a farm advisor from the agricultural cooperative. The calves purchased at the market for fattening have arrived. The clinical veterinarian checks the calf's health condition. A farm advisor from the agricultural cooperative has come to the fattening barn. They discuss shipping timing while looking at animals that are in the finishing stage. The agricultural cooperative transports them to the abattoir. The unit price and performance data determined at the abattoir are fed back to the producer to improve the fattening management at the farm. At farms with large herds, manure disposal is another important issue. An extension officer from the Agricultural Extension Center has arrived. He collects manure, analyzes its composition, and gives feedback to the producer. The Extension Center also analyzes soil to give technical support for feed crop production. JANCA Senior Advisor Yumi Kirino, who has a wealth of international experience, makes the following comments about the importance of technical support extension.
Demonstrating the power of advanced technology is premised on the creation of technical service systems that support basic daily livestock management, such as technical extension and veterinary services, and for trust and collaboration to exist between associated public and private players and producers. I think that it's important for both experts involved in international cooperation and local stakeholders to understand these facts and to create a mechanism that looks beyond the introduction of technology.